police released a report that they believe that she was texting and driving, which makes it more like she was a criminal. You know, she'd done something to cause the actual accident, but just knew better. I don't know how to explain the feeling, but it was really disheartening because I was outraged, but yet quiet. I thought, wow, that would really surprise me. And then something inside me said, no, sir. Once we kind of collected the facts and put everything together, we started to realize that there's no way. It's impossible. There was just no way. No way she texted and drove. You never plan on to bury your child before you. You always plan on burying yourself first. And, you know, I've lost people in my life, friends and things like that, but never children. Contacted Brian at McAllister Law Firm. He was in the back scenes of the whole event, and he stayed close to what was going on, and which was so tasteful. I mean, you're already dealing with enough. You know, we had media, you know, in our face constantly. You know, I probably took 20 phone calls a day from media and news people and different things, and just it was hard enough as it was. And but it was really sweet the way he stayed in the back, and he never stuck his head out until the time when I was ready.